Hi, this is Matthew from E-Tech Machinery. As you can see here, this is a machine base from EGP 2520. Same, it originates from the traditional machine model EGP 2550 CNC. But E-Tech consistently follow the tradition, enhancing on the base structure and the rigidity. So as you can see here, the machine base is a one set up structure. Also with the same grid box structure to enhance its rigidity. Let's have a look at it. So, this is what I'm talking about, the grid box structure, which consistently used from the traditional machine models. As you can see here, here is a machine presses, a real machine model. As you can see, the size of the floor is reduced a lot comparing from the traditional model 2550 CNC with the z-axis going left and right. The purpose of this machine is to provide the best efficiency with limited space to make every space of the factory becomes worth it. As you can see, now we are adjusting on the micro taper adjustment device on the tailstock. This is mentioning about the repeatability of the micro taper adjustment. Although the machine base is small, but we still use the diameter 510 OD wheel. The reason we use this is to maintain the grinding capacity to achieve its best capacity. Not only with the precision servo drive axis, we also install a high precision height-and-hand linear scale with a resolution 0.05 micron to maintain the accuracy to its best condition. Now we are going to show you a touch probe. Placing the touch probe in its suitable position allows the touch probe to come down, touch up the part, and then come back up, and after that, directly do the plunging operation. As you can see here, it goes back up, and then the wheel can directly do its plunging operation without any extra movements to increase its grinding efficiency. Not only with the E-Tech unique conversational program, you could also have similar optional accessories like the traditional models. For example, the auto gauging, or you could also call it auto sizing with BS system. A touch probe allows you to touch out the face and starting at the right position. Gap and crush control, also with the BS system. If you need, it's not on the machine, but you can also install a dynamic wheel balancer. If in typical workpiece that you do not need to use the OD gauging, you can also place the OD gauging onto the extra space you have here. About this machine model introduction, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate and feel free to contact us through mobile phone or the web link above here.